Welcome back, friends. Yesterday we have learned a multiplication of fraction with the whole number and multiplication of fraction with fraction. Also we learn operator of represent multiplication. Now today we will solve exercise 2.2 question number 1, that is, which of the following drawing A to D shows first 2 multiply 1 by 5, 2 multiply 1 by 2, 3 multiply 2 by 3 and D 3 multiply 1 by 4. Here 4 drawings are given. So what you have to do, which part is represented A, B, C and D. So we need to write each of the following fraction. What is this? This is 2 by 3. Because whole circle is divided into 3 parts. So this is also 2 by 3. This is also 2 by 3. So what we can write? 3 multiply 2 by 3. And what is that? Option C. Clear? Now for B, what is the fraction of this? It is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. Together it becomes 2 multiply 1 by 2. So what is this? It is option B. Now for this, whole part is divided into 4 parts, so it can be represented as 1 by 4. Here it is also 1 by 4 and here third is also 1 by 4. Together it becomes 3 multiply 1 by 4. So it is option D. Now for this, it is 1 by 5 because whole circle is divided into 5 parts and this is also 1 by 5 and that will be 2 multiply 1 by 5 and that is option A. Same question number 2 is that you have to apply the fraction to figure. So here, what is the fraction of this? It is 1 by 3. Here it is also 1 by 3. And this side become 2 by 3. So which is the option of this? Option B. Now for this one, whole triangle is divided into 4 parts and in that 3 part is shaded. So we can write 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. That is 3 multiply 3 by 4 is equal to 1, 1 and it is 1 by 4. So it is 2 by 1 by 4. So what is this option? It is 3 multiply 3 by 4 is here. So we can write it is option C. Okay. Now for this one, it is 1 by 5. Whole part is divided into 5 equal parts. This is also 1 by 5. This is also 1 by 5. So it becomes 3 multiply 1 by 5. And this side it is 3 by 5. So which option is this? It is A. Likewise, if in the exam any figure is given and you have to apply the fraction for this, you can write this method. We completed question number 1 and 2 and question number 3 was in homework and that is in yesterday's video. Okay. Previously मैंने अपना homework में जो question number 3 आपको she already आपने solve कर दी थी उसे. Now question number 4, that is shade. First part is 1 by 2 of the circles in a box. 1 by 2 of the circles. How many circles are there? Of means multiplication. Number of circles are, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 circles are here, means you can write 1 by 2 of 12. So you have to find 1 by 2 of means multiplication 12. So it is 6. It means you need to shade 6 circle of box. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next is 2 by 3 of the triangles in a box. How many triangles are here? You can see 9 triangles are here. So you can write 2 by 3 of 9. So 2 by 3 multiply 9. 3 3s are 9. So it is 3 3s are 9. So it is 2 3s are 6. Now how many triangles you need to shape? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next is 3 by 5 of the squares in a box. How many squares are here? squares are here. So you need to find 3 by 5 of 50. 3 by 5 multiply 50. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Means you need to shape 9 square of the box. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It means you need to shape 9 square of box. In this question, in exam, it can change the number of squares, number of triangle and number of circles into the box, but the method will remain same. Now, question number 5. Find a 1 by 2 of, in that first is 24 and second is 48. It means you need to find first 1 by 2 of 24 and then 1 by 2 of 46. So first 1 by 2 of 24, that is 1 by 2 multiply 24 of represent multiplication. You can cut the common factor, so it is 12. Second part, 1 by 2 of 46, it means 1 by 2 multiply 46. Cut the common factor, so you will get 23. Now B part is that 2 by 3 of first 18 and 2 by 3 of 27. So we will find first one. 2 by 3 of 18 is equal to 2 by 3 multiply 18. You can cut the common factor. So 6 2s are 12. Second, 2 by 3 of 27. It means 2 by 3 multiply 27. 9 3s are 27 and 9 2s are 18. So answer is 18. Same question number 5. C and D will be in your homework. That is 3 by 4 of 16 and 3 by 4 of 36. D is 4 by 5 of 20 and 4 by 5 of 30. Multiplication is given. A is 3 multiply 5 1 by 5. So whenever this kind of mixed fraction is given, first of all convert it into improper fraction. Okay, you cannot directly multiply 5 3s of 50. First of all convert this into mixed fraction or improper fraction and then multiply it with 3. So we can write 3 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26 by 5. Now you can multiply 26 with 3 78 by 5 and you can convert it into mixed fraction. 15 5 are 75 and 3 in a new. Clear? Now next, convert this into improper. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. 135 by 4. If you multiply 5 with 27, you will get 135 by 4. I hope you know how to convert this into mixed or improper. Multiply this and add this. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27 by 4. Convert this 135 into the mixed fraction. So you will get 33 3 by 4. Divide 135 with 4. We already learned this into 6 standard. Okay, so it is 33 3 by 4. Clear? Now next one. 7 multiply 2 1 by 4. So 7 multiply 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4. So 9 7s are 63 by 4. You can you can convert it into mixed fraction. That is 4. 15 4s are 60 and 3. So it is 53 by 4. Same D, that is 4 multiply 6 1 by 3. E 3 1 by 4 multiply 6 and F 3 2 by 5 multiply 8 will be in your homework. Convert this into improper fraction and multiply it with 4. Convert this into improper and multiply with 6. This into improper and multiply with 8. Now example 7. Find A 1 by 2 of first part 2 3 by 4 and second part 4 2 by So first, as we performed in the previous example, 1 by 2 of 2, 3 by 4. It means 1 by 2 multiply. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. 11 1s are 11. 2 4s are 8. You can convert this into mixed fraction. 8 1s are 8 plus 3, 11. Same for second part. 1 by 2 of 4, 2 by 9. So it is 1 by 2 multiply. 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. You can cut the common factor 19. So 19 by 9. 9 2s are 18 plus 1. Clear? First, I convert this mixed fraction into improper. If there is a common factor, you can cut it. So it is 19 2s are 38. So answer is 19 by 9. By converting into mixed fraction, we will get 2 1 by 9. Now next one, 5 by 8 of first 3 5 by 6. Convert this into improper. Of means multiplication. 18 plus 5. 23 by 6. If you multiply this, 23 5s are 115 divided by 36. So this is 8. 48. Now convert this into mixed fraction. If you multiply 48 with 2, you will get 19 as a reminder. So it is 2 19 by 48. Now next one. Convert this into mixed fraction. Improper. Multiply. 5 multiply 29 is 145. And 8 3s are 24. If you divide 145 with 24, you will get 24 6 are 144 and 1 as a reminder. So answer is 6 1 by 24. Now example 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 3 of water. What is this? 2 by 3 of water. How much water is there? 5 liters. This you need to find 2 by 3 of 5 liters. Where if the question is how much water drink by Vidya. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So in that first part, how much water did Vidya drink? In a question it is written Vidya consumed 2 by 3 of water. So it is 2 by 3 of water. What is the total quantity of water? That is 5 liters. So 2 by 3 of 5. Instead of 5 liter, I written only 5. At the last in the answer we can write the unit, that is in a liter. Of means multiplication. This is 5. It is 2 by 5. So in question it is 2 by 5. So we can write 2 by 5 of water. 5 will be cancelled out. So it is 2 liters. Means from total 5 liter water, 2 liters drink by Vidya. So how much water will be remain? जो 5 liter माथी 2 liter Vidya drink करी हो तो कितना बाकी रहશે? 3 liters and that is drink by Pratap. So what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Now here we need to find the fraction. So first of all we find the value how much water drink by Pratap. So Pratap drink 5 minus 2, that is 3 liter water from the bottle. Clear? जो 2 liter विद्या drink करी हुआ तो बाकी 3 liter कौन drink करी हुआ? प्रताप. Now we need to find the fraction. So fraction the total quantity 3 liter drink by Pratap. So drink by. So this is the fraction of water drink by Pratap. Clear?